Hi, I'm Michelle Burt, owner of Maddie Cakes, children-themed parties, and the DIY party craft blog, Maddie Cakes Muse. We are going to make a Dora backpack. Backpack! I know you know Dora. My daughter loves Dora. She loves to go out exploring and tearing up the house as she does it. Actually, this is her Dora backpack. And it used to sing that lovely song, but somehow the batteries died and just never quite got replaced. To make this wonderful backpack, you can do this craft with your child, and I'm sure they'll truly love it. All you need is some thick foam. You can get this from any craft store. You need at least 3 sheets of the purple. This is a 12 by 18. And also, I like to use the sticky back foam because that way you don't have to have any gluing involved in this. To make the actual backpack, you're going to need 2 2-inch by 18-inch strips. And that is going to be for the back strap, simply just glued on the back on each side. To make the pack itself, you're going to need one 10.5-inch square and a 10.5 by 15-inch rectangle for the back. Simply glue the 10.5 square on the front to the back. Just go around, and that way they have like a little cute little pocket they can store all their little treasures in, because you know Dora's backpack has everything in it. To make the face, just simply cut out the face with your other sticky foam core, put it on, and you can use any kind of map. I actually print this off, but you can make a piece of paper and create all kinds of maps to different places, maybe like Umbrella's house. I don't know. The map, you know you love it. To make it seal, you can simply just take the flap, cut around the edges, and that way you can put like a piece of Velcro here and it can stick, and they can actually open and close their backpack. Very simple to do, and I know your little ones will love this Dora backpack craft.